time. I had said a couple of weeks ago I was going to make lemon drizzle cake, and then of course the yellow labels took over. So 175 grams of butter, spread, the stork, whatever your budget allows, you can use for this. 175 grams of butter, 175 of sugar. Again, caster sugar if you want. However, I'm just using granulated because it's what I have in the house. So because I'm using granulated, I'm going to just cream this first. So just for a quick second. Should really be making it light and airy, but we'll just do it quickly. And then to that we're going to sift. What do we do, Kenny? Do we sift or we sieve? 175 grams of self-raising flour. Now that's easy to remember then because it's the same quantities. So 175 grams of sugar, flour, butter. We'll just sieve it in. Never bother with a wee bit of this at a time and a wee bit of that at a time. We'll just stick it right in, doing everything speedily. 1 teaspoon, in fact we're going to make it 1.5 teaspoons because I'm putting in quite a lot of lemon into this, so it might just make it a wee bit heavier for rising. So 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, that wasn't quite a half. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 3 eggs. Now I've already, what have I done, Kenneth? Gosh almighty me, I have already whisked my eggs. Good grief. So it's just straight in. I did it that way because my eggs had been lying for a couple of days, so I just wanted to make sure they were still nice and fresh. Let's just combine it. Now don't worry if this feels a wee bit thick because you're going to be adding lemon juice to it. If you don't like the consistency, add milk. I quite often do that. First we're going to just add some lemon juice and then see. I'll be dunting Kenny out the road if I'm needing to get into the milk. Well, I'm not really doing anything, Kenneth. He's telling me to move things. Right, a good 2 tablespoons of lemon. 3 if you like it really lemony. Half a lemon. Probably plenty for this if you're using fresh. Now at this point it might split. But again, don't worry about that. I'm going to just check what I think the consistency feels like. Yes, he's getting on at me again. I have to bump everything out the road. So we'll just put it there, dear.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome. Gosh, will we make the next 25?
Well, people might be able to see your cack now.
Oh, well, this is true. Thank you, everybody, for all the lovely anniversary wishes that we received yesterday. Ken and I have made it to our silver wedding. Apparently, it's quite a feat these days.
Yes, thank you very much, Faristo. Muchas gracias.
Anything else? Danke.
Yeah.
Merci beaucoup. I think I could learn it in Gaelic. Somebody must tell me what thank you very much in Gaelic is. Now I'm going to be really rude here and just taste it. But that's because I want to know that it's lemony, so I'm going to add a wee bit more lemon. And just give that another stir in. Now, I don't know if you can see behind me. Cakes, this particular one I'm doing in a pound loaf tin. So it'll take about 40 to 45 minutes. If you do it just in a 8-inch round, you'll need to maybe 25 to 30 minutes. You know, you just adapt it depending on how you're baking it. So it can be quite expensive to just be doing baking these days in an oven. So if you can see just behind me there, Kenny, I'm going to utilise my space. So tonight we're just having some roasted potatoes, so that's literally just some potatoes with olive oil, garlic and some vegetable stock over the top and a wee drop lemon juice. some green beans with tomatoes, peppers, again with some garlic over the top and a little bit of salt, and just Cajun chicken. And that way this can all be in the oven at the same time as my cake, utilising our electricity and getting our green credentials on the go. Now, if this is too much batter for your tin, don't worry, just turn it into cakes, fairy cakes. We shall see where we get off here. I would imagine this will take all of this. So just squeeze it in. I must buy myself a plastic spatula. They're much better for getting off the dribbles. Me that doesn't like wasting a thing. But we shall just have to work with a wooden spoon as best we can. I don't suppose you had plastic spoons back in the day. Gosh, I've just come away from Twitter. I cannot believe it. Bleeding Stoviegate started up again. Dave Taylor and loads of other people, Tracy and Sonia, they're all away with their Stovigates again. So here we go all over again. Is it square sliced? Is it square sliced? Is it links? Is it made from, what is it? What is it? What's the matter?
Just look at me when you're speaking.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, people want to see your pretty face.
Oh, sure. Whatever you say, dear heart. Right, I'm going to just wipe my fingers and then we'll pop it all in the oven. So, middle shelf, 45 minutes, and I'm going to share that shelf with my tatties. So just excuse me whilst I throw everything else in the oven here. And because neither of these will take the full 45 minutes, they're going slightly further down. I don't have a fan oven. If you do have a fan oven, wait 15 minutes, put them in then. Now all you're going to need when the cake comes out, you do this when it's still hot, 85 grams of sugar, again granulated castor, whichever you have to hand. About a lemon, full lemon, so a good old squash of lemon juice. Stir it in and then just leave that to do the job. It just, the acid in the lemon will break down the sugar, and that's what gives your, over the top of the lemon drizzle cake, you end up with a sort of like a crystallised look, frosted, and that's all that is. That's all we're going to be putting over the top of our cake when it's ready. So that's us for just now, Kenneth. See you in 45 minutes. Bye. Okay, I am so pleased I came and checked my cake because it seems to have cooked a bit quicker tonight, so it's ever so slightly burnt. But never mind. It is what it is, and we just have to go with it. So, it could have been worse. Could have been worse. So at this point, all you need to do is just pierce lots and lots of different holes right the way down it, right down into it, as many times as you want, because, oops, gosh, I'm not even watching here, as many times as you want, because this is you're going to put your lemon drizzle in here to give it the moistness, because it's always a moist cake. And then just literally drizzle all over the top until it's all done. So now remember, that was 85 grams of sugar to about half a lemon to one lemon. And then we'll just leave it in the tin to cool, because otherwise the lemon will go everywhere. And that's us. I hope you enjoy it. Lemon drizzle cake, just try not to let it burn. Thank you very much.